Hello friends, welcome back to Mindiology. Today we're going to talk about 5 major and very powerful skills that can help you in transforming your career. So I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start. Welcome to Mindiology, a platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your friend Deepak from Team Mindiology. So let's start today's video. Like we've discussed that we are going to talk about 5 major skills that can help you in transforming your career. तो वो skills क्या हैं, किस तरीके से वो आपके करियर में, ग्रोथ में, डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प कर सकती हैं, आज उसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. So let's start. So the first thing is the technological skills. Technology is something which is used by almost every company in today's time. Some companies use a very basic and minimalistic technological skills, and there are various companies which are using very high and advanced technological skills. इन सभी चीज़ों में एक बहुत ही important skill है, that is computer, which is used very commonly on a larger scale in almost all the businesses nowadays. बिना कंप्यूटर के आजकल कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So in basic computer skills you have Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. अगर आपको इन चीज़ों की knowledge है, you can definitely help yourself in a very well manner. So apart from these basic skills, according to the Forbes.com, you have 3 another important things which can help you in your career irrespective of whatever you're doing. So उसमें सबसे पहली चीज़ आती है image editing. By image editing tool, you can increase or decrease the size of any image by using the Photoshop. The second thing is the SEO. That is the search engine optimization. इसका यूज़ होता है किसी भी वेबसाइट की पॉपुलैरिटी, उसकी विजिबिलिटी गूगल पे या किसी भी सर्च इंजन पे बढ़ाने के लिए इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, which is very excessively used nowadays by most of the companies. The third thing is the HTML. That is related to coding, which is further related to designing the website, enhancing the website, designing your own web page, which is also a very lucrative thing nowadays. So you can learn all these things and help yourself. Second thing is communication skills. जब बात communication की आती है, you know how important it is. आज के टाइम में हर कंपनी में कहीं भी आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, everyone is asked the same thing from you, that do you have good communication skills? Not only good, most of the companies are asking excellent communication skills nowadays. इसका कारण है that they want people who can communicate well, who can deal in a very efficient manner, in a very intelligent manner with their clients, that can increase their business, the growth of the company, and eventually that growth of the company help you also in developing your career as well. So these all things are interrelated. So communication is also a very important thing. Along with the communication, another important tip is if you're learning a new language, that is also really nice. And communication is not only important for your work and all, it is important for your day-to-day life, important to improve your relationship, important to improve your personality also. So you must learn that. The third thing is research. So in every company nowadays, you have a research and development team who work on a lot of things very extensively, to get the best of the data, best of the things, and best of the advices and suggestions. By using a company is focusing on their growth and advancement and a lot of other things for themselves. So if you know the research skill, that is really a thumbs up for you in nowadays. So if you have the very good and detailed information about your kind of a work, your industry, it's really good. Apart from that, you can get the information for the other things as well. In today's world, internet is the major and a very basic source of information, and for the research you can get your research done through the articles on the internet, through the relevant websites, and apart from the websites you can go to the podcast, you can go to the webinars, you can go to the YouTube videos. There are plenty of things available which you can do apart from the conventional method of reading the books. So you can do that. The fourth thing comes into the picture is the interpersonal skills. Now what is this interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills क्या होता है? Interpersonal skills एक ऐसी स्किल है जो हमें सिखाती है अलग अलग तरह के पर्सनालिटीज़ के लोगों के साथ में किस तरीके से मिलजुल कर, सामंजस्य बिठा के, तालमेल बिठा के हम एफिशिएंटली काम कर सकते हैं. तो दैट इज़ द स्किल. So nowadays it is very significant because there are plenty of employees working in every organization. So be it you are a manager, you're a VP, AVP, or you are at a junior level, you need these skills so that you can deal with all kind of people in a very efficient manner, in a very godly manner, in a very peaceful manner, so that you can get your work done. As a team, your company can get the growth because of that. Apart from all these growth and problem solving things, this interpersonal thing help you in increasing your PR, your networking also. Because अगर आपको पता है लोगों को कैसे हैंडल करना है, then आप अपना नेटवर्क बहुत अच्छे से बढ़ा सकते हैं. So it's important to that. And last but not the least is thinking outside the box. एक अलग सोच, एक नई सोच जिसकी हर कंपनी को आजकल ज़रूरत है. Every company is thinking about the people who can think new, think fresh, think innovative, think logical, think out of the box so that they can help their businesses for the growth and advancement. So आप अगर किसी ऑफिस में हैं, आपके पास ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल और एनालिटिकल स्किल्स हैं, आप अपनी बात डेफिनेटली रखिए in front of the management, in front of your seniors and peers and bosses so that you can help them. That will boost your confidence as well. So now quickly summarize what all we have discussed. So we've discussed that these 5 skills are technological skills, communication skills, research skills, interpersonal skills, and thinking outside the box. So my friend, अगर आप इन skills को develop करना चाहते हैं, the best thing is the practice. Practice and practice at your own pace, at your own level, so that you can transform your career. So I hope you have understood these things and you're going to apply these things in your career, in your personal life. So if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new and informative videos like this. And please do share your suggestions, comments and feedbacks into the comment box. And if you would like us to make a video on your choice of topic, we would really love to do that. So with this, I shall take your leave. I wish you a very good day ahead.